Okay, tell us a little bit about your vehicle.
So in 1974, when I was a senior at Murray High School, my grandfather passed away. He lived in Portland, Oregon. And my grandmother never had a driver's license, so she said, take the car home with you to Utah.
This car right here.
This car right here. It had about 42,000 miles on it in 1974.
Wow.
We took it home and I drove it through high school and dated my wife during high school. And drove it while I was a teenager with no funds to spend on it. It was kind of getting worn out back at that point in time. So it ended up in garages from 78 to about 2015.
Wow.
And until I could be in a position to where we could spend some money and restore it properly.
And tell us about the color. What's the color called again?
The color is called Dusk Pearl.
Dusk Pearl.
It's a factory color.
I'm going to take a quick walk around so everybody can lust over it.
Back in the day, this and silver was more common color for this year of car, but no one restores them this color anymore nowadays. They always want to do them red or black or yellow.
Right.
And so I decided I wanted to keep it the same as it was when grandfather drove it off the showroom parking lot.
Wow. Tell us about the gas cap.
So the gas cap here, that's original. That's a funny story about that is that back east, the guy went to take his family to get ice cream one Friday night. The car was low on gas, so he was going to fill up the gas and go get ice cream. He decided he was going to get ice cream first, but the ice cream place was packed full, so he parked his car in an alley. He came back after the ice cream and his car was gone.
Wow.
Somebody stole his car.
For real.
Someone stole his car and he called the police and says, hey, my car's been stolen. They says, okay, we'll keep an eye open for it. About 20 minutes later, they got a call back from the police and said, we found your car at a gas station. A bunch of teenagers pulled up and they looked all around for the gas filler. And
they couldn't find where it was.
They couldn't find it, so they took off running and left the car there.
Well, we're going to skip over the plate so no one can see that. But boy, it's sure a beautiful car. And how long did the restoration take you about?
I'd say about 6 or 8 years.
Can we open the door?
Sure.
Let's take a peek inside. It's absolutely beautiful. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, we did the matching upholstery to the factory year.
And what was your name again?
My name is Norm.
Norm. Here with Norm, Salt Lake City, Murray, 4th of July. Beautiful 1957 Bel Air. We'll talk soon.
We got the